Hi, today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on the PS4. So first of all, we need our DualShock 4 and press the share button. Then just select the save screenshot and press the triangle or the X button. So you can also choose a screenshot option, and then you can choose where do you want to share this screenshot. You can go also back and then just go to the gallery, all screenshots, and there you can find your screenshots just like this one. Thanks for watching, press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.